We are now in our part 5, and for this vlog, I'm going to give you advice and tips that I can give you out from experience. Number 1 is should not do tricks to gain subscribers and viewers, because if you are going to do that, you will hurt your revenue. You will not be able to get your revenue 1 month or 2 months after, because nobody cares and nobody are willing to watch your videos because they are not your organic subscribers and organic viewers. Aside from the fact that you will have to be consistent, to be consistent in uploading, because that's only the key for us to grow here in YouTube. You should know your audience, you should have a niche, consistent, then you should know how to edit your thumbnails to make it clickable and enticing. You should have to optimize your titles, descriptions, tags, keywords, and everything. You should have to build friendship and connection to other channels, small content creators, so that you will continually watch your videos and you also to them. And do not forget to promote your videos to your social media account. At least if not many who will follow, who will subscribe, at least there are numbers or a few who can still follow you. Avoid self-watching, because YT will detect what you did, the tricks that you can do for your channel to grow. It's not good. That's the only thing I can advise to you as a content creator, to be organic in everything. Organic views, organic subscribers, quality content, consistency, build communities and promote our channels. So in that way, we will learn to grow our channels day by day. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something from my video today. So do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe in my YouTube channel, and please click the notification bell all so that you will be updated in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching from part 1 to part 5. Bye!